Hello friends, welcome back to IQ Nest. In today's video, we will be discussing about 9th and 10th 5-year plans. In our previous video, we already discussed about 7th and 8th 5-year plan. So if you haven't watched that video, please do watch, and if you like it, please subscribe our channel and support us. So without further delay, let's start with today's topic, that is 9th and 10th 5-year plans in India. So friends, first we will be discussing about the 9th 5-year plan, and after that we will be seeing the 10th plan. So to start with the 9th 5-year plan, the first point is it was adopted from 1997 to 2002. This plan started during 50th year of independence. The priority was given to agriculture and rural development with a view to generate adequate productive employment. The 9th 5-year plan encouraged social issues like women empowerment and conservation of special groups of society. Growth with social justice and equality was the main focus of this plan. The target growth aimed was 6.5%. However, the actual growth was obtained is 5.4%, and because of that reason it was considered as a failure plan. The plan was failure due to the recession in international economy. The emphasis was laid on 7 basic minimum services, which include safe drinking water, universalization of primary education, streamlining public distribution services, etc. This plan focused on accelerating the growth rate of the economy with stable prices, ensuring food and nutritional security for all, and containing the growth rate of population. So these are the important points regarding the 9th 5-year plans, and now we will be discussing on the accomplishments and major events happened during 9th 5-year plan. The first point is special action plans were evolved during this plan. Sambhurna Gramin Rozgar Yojana, that is SGRY, Prime Minister's Gram Sadak Yojana, that is PMGSY, were launched with the aim of development of villages. The second nuclear experiment, that is known as Operation Shakti, was performed on 11th and 13th May 1998. Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan, that is SSA, was launched in 2001 for the improvement of quality of primary education. The Prevention of Terrorism Act was implemented on 18th March 2002. So that is the important points regarding the 9th 5-year plan. Now we will be discussing about the 10th 5-year plan. The first point is it was adopted from 2002 to 2007. The plan proposed to eradicate poverty and unemployment and to double the per capita income in the next 10 years. This plan indicated that the current backlog of unemployment was around 9% of the labor force, that is around 35 million. It aimed at achieving 8% of GDP growth per year, but the plan achieved nearly around 8%, that is 7.7% growth. The 10th plan had set monitorable targets for a few key indicators of development besides 8% growth target. The targets included reduction in gender gaps in literacy and wage rate, reduction in infant and maternity mortality rates, improvement in literacy, access to potable drinking water, cleaning of major polluted rivers, etc. Next point is the governance was considered as factor of development, and agriculture was declared as a prime moving force of the economy. It aimed at reducing gender gaps in literacy and wage rates by at least 50% by 2017. It also aimed at reducing the poverty rate by 5% points by 2007. So these were the important points regarding 10th 5-year plan. Now we will be discussing the accomplishments and major events happened during the 10th 5-year plan. The first point is National Rural Health Mission, Bharat Nirman, Jawaharlal Nehru Urban Renewal Mission was declared during the 10th 5-year plan. And the next point is India's foreign exchange reserves reached a level of $185 billion in February 2007. So these were the accomplishments or events happened during the 10th 5-year plan. So in today's video we discussed about 9th and 10th 5-year plan. So friends, that's it for today's video. The upcoming videos will be discussing about the remaining 5-year plans, and you can find the links of those videos in the description box of this video. So please do watch, and also please do watch our previous video to know about the first 5-year plans, that is before the 9th and 10th 5-year plan. And if you like that video and if you feel that those videos are really informative and useful, please like it and subscribe our channel, and also please press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of all the new videos which will be uploaded in this channel. So we'll meet you again with another informative video. Thank you for watching and have a good day.